Well, today I'm back out here with the three-wheeler. I'm going to be replacing the rings and gaskets and working on putting the head back on. So as you can see here, I've done nothing to it. So there's the old head, old gasket, which the reason why this one's just sitting here is because spark plug holes stripped out. New heads are over here. Well, new head is right here. All the pieces and parts for it. And then I've got everything I should need to put it all back together. I've got some engine assembly lube. I've got new rings, and then these are for to put rings on and take them off. I'm not sure what they're called, but anyway. So find the gap in a ring. There's one, maybe. Yep, right there. I don't know if these. No, I don't think these will work for this. For taking them off. No. Okay. So I'm gonna take the rings off, and I'll get back to you. So I've got new rings on, old rings off. For these, the waffle ring, then your dark black ring, then your golden ring. That's the order that you put them on. Yeah. Then make sure you rotate the gaps. I don't know if you can see that gap right there. Make sure you rotate them 220 degrees. So one at 12 o'clock, one would be at, or one at 6 o'clock, one at 3 o'clock, and one at 9 o'clock. 10 o'clock, not 9 o'clock. So you put them in that order, which mine are very close to that, so we're good. So now we need to move on to putting the head on and the timing chain, which is hanging right there. Well, now you see, I got that head put on. Now you can see all my assembly lube oozing out. So rings are doing what they're supposed to. I got my timing chain put through. That my idler there isn't tightened up yet, but it's through. Now I'm going to go get the other head. Yes, I did put a gasket on it. Gaskets are right there. And put that on. So stay tuned. Well, here it is, finished product. Head's back on. I already checked, it has spark. I set the valves. Carburetor's attached, exhaust is on. I know I didn't keep you updated very much in this video, and I'm sorry about that. I just was kind of wanting to get this done. But here it is. We yet need to find a spark plug for it, because it's a weird size that we don't have any of. But it's got compression, it's got everything it's supposed to have, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Well, here it is. It's all complete, except for the front fender, which we need to zip tie stitch because it's cracked a little bit. But here it is, head's on, everything. I actually tore this down multiple times because at first I thought that I had the timing wrong or something, but that wasn't wrong, so I messed with that. That didn't do anything. And then we ended up pull starting it behind our golf cart, and it fired right off after I tore it down like 4 times trying to figure out the timing. But anyway, here it is, all complete. Now I'm going to start it up for you. I'm going to switch on. Almost. Let's try choke. Need to give it some gas. But it is completely cold. Everything's all cold. I'm gonna set you down for a second to get this started. Well, here it is. Just took me a second to get it started. I just needed to give it some gas when I first pulled it, but fires right up. And I already rode this around a little bit last night, just breaking the rings in and stuff. But here it is.